Hello everyone, welcome to Igenhut. I'm Manjujose and we are going to learn English idioms together. English is a piece of cake. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, kindly subscribe our channel and enable the bell icon so you'll be getting all the videos when I post it. So right into the idioms. Geeta is a young girl. She is the pick of the bunch. Meenu, her classmate, is the richest girl in the school. Egged on by her friends, Meenu buys oceans of expensive things. But she never worked hard on her studies. Geeta egged Meenu on studying hard, and when she succeeded, both of them walked on air. So let's see the idioms in detail. Idiom number 1, pick of the bunch. It just means the best one of the group. Puppy is too small, but to me, he is just the pick of the bunch. Another example, the Spanish delight is the pick of the bunch. Idiom number 2, egged on. This expression has nothing to do with hen's eggs, but used as a slang. It means to urge someone to do something, especially something mischievous. An example, Jack is always egging me on to drive faster. Another example, I didn't want to sing karaoke, but my friends egged me on. Here this expression is used to indicate the positive encouragement given by friends. Idiom number 3, oceans of. It just means a very large amount of something. An example, the naughty student was in oceans of trouble. Another example, after a week of vacation, there was an ocean of work to do. And the fourth one, walked on air. It just means feel elated or extremely excited or happy. An example, she has been walking on air after hearing the exam result. We'll even say floating on air. John is floating on air after his painting won first place in the annual Work of Art Challenge. If you find this video useful, please do share it with your friends and family. We'll see another video with another set of idioms. Till then, bye-bye.